Hi, my name is Joseph, and today I want to show you my school project about the solar system.
What grade are you in?
Fourth.
Fourth grade. Nice. We've had a lot of projects this year. Okay, show me what you got. Show me. What is it?
So, I'm just starting. I'm going to finish it later. This is why I have the stick here.
Okay.
So I can put papers. The papers talking about the planets, like for example, the sun.
Little labels.
Yeah, little information about each planet.
Okay, so tell me one by one each color. Why did you make it that color, and why is that texture and those things you were telling me?
Because I put it that color because that's the color they are in the actual social studies book. As you can see right here, this is Mercury. This is Venus, Earth. I put the United States and Africa. In the back, there's Africa.
Nice. And this is, you picked the United States because that's where we live, and then you picked Africa because that's where your dad is from.
Yeah.
We have a lot of family there in Egypt.
Well, my dad works at Qatar, so he's there right now. And this is Mars. And since there's a bunch of volcanoes, I put little things everywhere. And Jupiter, right here. And you can see the huge red spot. That happened to be a storm that was raging in Jupiter for more than 300 years.
Wow.
And
Saturn looks really cool.
Saturn was one of the easiest ones to make. Because you literally just have to put the thing around it and stick it in sideways. And Saturn's right here. It's the same color. It's the same color, but I mean, it's not the same color as the book. But I just copied Saturn from a different image.
So why did you put them in that order?
Because and in every song it goes like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus and Neptune. And that's they do that because they're counting from the planets that's the closest to the sun to the one that's the farthest from the sun.
Okay, so they start at the sun.
Yep. Falling apart here a little. That happens. Alright, and here, let's see the information of these planets. Alright, so Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. Images taken by the Messenger space probe show the deep craters on Mercury's surface. Rocky objects slammed into Mercury, leaving deep scars. And these are the scars. See? The scars, the holes that I made.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that's very detailed.
Yeah, this paper.
What are those little bumps on Venus?
Oh, more volcanoes. It's not just Mars that has volcanoes. Alright. So this is the crazy thing. I thought that Mercury was the hottest planet in the solar system, but I read this and I found it out. And I found out that I was wrong. Images taken by Venus Express probe show one of the more than 1,600 volcanoes on Venus's surface. There's a bunch of volcanoes on Venus's surface. For a long time, it was hard to study Venus's surface because of the thick clouds hiding it. These same clouds trap heat on Venus, making it the hottest planet.
Okay.
So it's probably that Mercury is too small to be the hottest, and the heat is coming into Venus. And
so first you thought it was the hottest because it's the closest to the sun.
yeah.
Okay.
All right. Satellite images of Earth show large green areas. Earth is the only planet with visible life, a large supply of liquid water, and an atmosphere mostly made of nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide.
Okay.
And the Mars rover Spirit has sent images of Mars' surface back to Earth. Mars' surface has mountains, wide plains, canyons, and volcanoes. Its surface looks red because of the iron oxide in its soil. It looks like it's the hottest planet, but it's actually just the iron oxide in its soil. Mars.
Okay.
And then you go over here to the outer planets, and then you see right here. This surprised me. I never knew about that red spot. All right. Jupiter has at least 63 moons. Astronomers think that Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, has an icy surface that covers a cold, slushy ocean. Jupiter's atmosphere is in constant motion. Its great red spot is a swirling storm that has raged for more than 300 years.
Wow.
Pointed at Jupiter.
Okay.
Jupiter got a little messed up because that was the first place I hung this heavy thing on.
My favorite one is Saturn. It's really neat. Why does it have that ring around it?
Well, we'll find out. Okay. Saturn has thousands of rings. Scientists think that these rings are leftover pieces of comets, asteroids, or moons that broke up long ago. Saturn's atmosphere has winds that can blow up at speeds of 1,800 kilometers an hour.
Miles an hour.
Miles an hour. What is this?
Oh, yeah. 1,118 miles an hour.
0.5 miles an hour, which is many times faster than Earth's strongest hurricane wind.
Wow.
All right. The two last ones. Uranus tilts so far on its axis that it looks as if it's revolving around the sun on its side. Methane gas in its atmosphere gives Uranus its blue color. Uranus is very cold. Its temperature is about, could you say
Negative?
that? Negative 215 Celsius.
The F means Fahrenheit.
Oh, okay. Wow. Oh, forgot. At about 30 AU, Neptune is the planet farthest from the sun. From space, its atmosphere looks blue. Sometimes high white clouds of methane ice crystals blow across Neptune. Physical changes inside Neptune are thought to slightly increase its temperature.
Okay.
And so that's all about it.
So what is the inner planets and the outer planets? What does that mean?
See? This is why I put it like that. The sun, pointing at the sun.
Okay. Well.
I'll do it. The sun.
Okay.
In the same spot. Mercury.
We don't have to go back and forth. Just read them all, and then we'll go over there.
Mercury's all the way here.
Mm-hmm.
And then Mercury's right next to the sun. It's all in order.
Mm-hmm.
And it's exactly the same right here.
So read them in order. Say them out loud.
Sun, Mercury. I don't know why they don't say the sun mostly. In some songs, they just start with
just point it
with
this.
Mercury. All right, the sun.
Mm-hmm.
Mercury.
So little you can barely see it. Okay.
Venus, Earth, and Mars. I forgot to tell you that Earth and Venus are the size twins.
Okay, almost the same size.
Oh, yeah. See right here? Venus and Earth are sometimes called the sister planets. But Earth supports life and Venus does not. It's all because of Earth's position within the solar system's life zone.
Okay.
All right. Jupiter is known to be the biggest planet in the solar system.
Oh, you skipped one. What was after the Earth?
Oh, after the Earth, Mars.
Okay.
And Jupiter has the biggest moon there is.
Wow.
And, so it's the biggest the biggest planet. I'm just thinking about its rating storm.
Okay.
And, I really never knew this, but Neptune and Uranus have rings. Both of them. And they don't even put it in the photo.
So you can really
I literally learned that from the song.
Okay.
So it has rings.
So they have rings too?
Rings made of dust.
Okay.
And then, right here you can see Neptune, the farthest planet from the sun, which is extremely cold.
Okay. What does this mean? The inner planets and outer planets. Why are there inner and outer? What does that mean? Inner planets.
Inner and outer planets. It's because Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the closest planets from the sun. In Mars, since it has volcanoes and is the farthest inner planet from the sun, that's because it is an inner planet and it is so look, a bunch of them are very hot. Earth is close to the sun and it feels like I'm in Mars. It's pretty cold. Or Jupiter.
And then what are the outer planets?
The outer planets are the planets that are made of like gas and have rings and
so these are giant
balls of gases. And these are the smallest and warmest planets in our solar system. So let's read these and find the difference of inner planets and outer planets.
Okay.
The inner planets are the smallest and warmest planets in our solar system. They have hard surfaces made of rock. The inner planets revolve around the sun more quickly than the outer planets. They are the only planets where probes from Earth have landed.
Okay.
That means that other planets that Earth throws to, the outer planets that have been tested to have monitors thrown at, probes, they have failed.
Oh, nice.
And since they're too far, see how Earth, Mars, Jupiter, they're too far and...
These are the only ones that we've studied closely, right?
Yes.
We landed there, some things. Some devices.
Yes. These are the only ones that have devices. So I do not know how they got the photo of Jupiter, either on telescopes or something. And there's Saturn. All right. Now, the outer planets are
Say hi to Jacob.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, Jacob. Jacob, you want to learn about the planets?
Jacob, you want to learn about the planets?
No.
Oh, my gosh.
Turn on the little cartoon so he can see it. Turn on the cartoon. Jacob, you want to learn about the planets? No.
So, now we are going to show you the song.
Okay.
But first, let me read this to you quickly. These planets, the outer planets are giant balls of gases. These planets are larger and less dense than the inner planets. They rotate quickly, which makes for a short day, but take a long time to revolve once around the sun. Unlike the inner planets, the outer planets have rings. Alright, now let's put this.
Look at Jacob, we're going to learn about the planets. Look at. Ooh.
I am the sun.
Look at Jacob, the sun.
Point at the sun.
I'm a burning ball of fire. I am very big indeed.
Look at.
Life on earth depends on me. I am the sun. I am Mercury. I'm the closest planet to the sun. I'm a ball of iron. I have no moon. I am Mercury. I am Venus. I'm the same size as the earth, but I spin the other way and much more slowly. I have no water. I am Venus. I am the earth, the place where we all live. There is land and lots of sea, so I look blue. I have a moon. I am the earth. I am Mars. I'm a rocky red planet. My mountains are the highest in our solar system. I have 2 moons. I am Mars. I am Jupiter. I'm a gas giant. I'm the biggest, and I spin the fastest. I have the biggest moon. I am
Makes me laugh
Jupiter.
because it's all messed up.
I am Saturn. I'm a gas giant. My rings are made of ice. Titan is my biggest moon. I am Saturn.
Uranus.
I am Uranus. I'm an icy gas giant. I'm the coldest
That's how I found out it
planet
had
in our
rings
solar
also.
system.
Not just Saturn.
And I have rings made of dust. I am Uranus. I am Neptune.
Made me laugh that Neptune's on.
I'm an icy gas giant. I'm the farthest planet from the sun. I have many storms. I am Neptune.
Well, since it has a bunch of storms, it's good that it looks all cracked up.
We are the solar system. We are the solar